What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we are taking a look at the Bitcoin price here on the 1 hourly chart. It looks like that we want to break this major resistance from this symmetrical triangle. Will we have enough power to break it? We'll be discussing this today. Yesterday, we talked about this ascending wedge, okay? We managed to break resistance and met the target all the way here just above the $36,000. We got a nice bounce here from the support of the symmetrical triangle. We are going to discuss what could potentially happen in the short term, guys. We'll be taking a look at this. Also, Ethereum inside of this ascending wedge formation from this downtrend of the breakout of this ascending triangle, guys. What is going to happen? Yesterday we did mention this inverse head and shoulder, okay? We did break out, but we did a double top here, as you can see on the chart. So I exited my trade at break even. If we do a double top, if we do not break out the breakout, guys, then it is time to exit your position because the position is weak, guys. If you want to take advantage of any of these opportunities on Bitcoin and Ethereum, make sure to check out my favorite day trading platform, Prime XBT. If you use my link in the description and Bitcoin Sensitive 50 as the promotion code, you're getting 50% in addition of what you deposit. My favorite day trading platform is Bybit. You're going to get the best bonus available also, guys, and you're helping out the channel. I'm getting a small commission eventually. Let's go straight into the video. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoin Sensors. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel. I do daily technical analysis on Bitcoin and crypto. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't buy or sell anything that I say. If you do so, do your own research. Said that, so let's go straight into the video. All right, guys, today in between 4 and 5 o'clock Central European time, I'm doing a live stream. So make sure to come around and bring your favorite crypto. We'll be doing some TA, guys. Right, let's take a look at the 1 hourly chart here for Bitcoin. As you can see, we did break out from this ascending wedge. We met the target. Now we are inside this symmetrical triangle. We did get supported nicely here, as you can see, a nice bounce from the support area. Let's go to the 4 hourly chart and zoom out here because we are retesting here the resistance from the symmetrical triangle. Now this is a critical moment because the more times you retest also a support, the most likely it is to break. I wouldn't be surprised to see a massive candle here breakout, guys. This might happen, so make sure to stay cautious here if you're trying to short the market. Let's take a look here on the 1 hourly chart because we are having some bearish divergence, okay? As you can see here on the 1 hourly chart, the price is going up, as you can see, extremely, okay? So let's take here this trend line and we can see the price just going up from this point and the RSI is going down. So it looks like that the bulls are losing steam here. It would be very unlikely but very possible, okay, because it is a fourth retest of the resistance area on the 4 hourly. And, you know, the RSI could go to extreme overbought territory, around about 80, 85, easily having a massive pump here and a massive breakout, all depending on the strength of the bulls. But just by looking at the 1 hourly chart, the most likely scenario here would be having a rejection from this major strong resistance, okay, and having a pullback potentially all the way down to the support area again, guys. So we'll be taking a look at this on the live stream later on to see what could potentially happen. Let's take a look at Ethereum right over here because Ethereum is looking a little bit bullish in the short term here, as you can see. But we did break out from this huge ascending triangle that we were mentioning here for the last couple of weeks. We finally broke down here. We also talked about this inverse head and shoulder formation on the 1 hourly chart. We broke resistance finally, but we did a mini double top here, and I exited at break even my position because the position wasn't looking strong, okay? And now eventually we have broken out from this major structure, from this major support level, and usually you would see a continuation here. Now we can see the volume is going down, okay, from this breakout. Okay, so we have the breakout right over here. And from the breakout, we see this amount of volume. And the volume is actually going down, okay, as you can see right over here. And while the volume is going down when you are having this pullback, okay, to the upside, the most likely scenario would be, you know, continuing to the downside, okay, because we can see the volume, we can see the pressure here, and now it is time for the bulls to see if there is going to be some buying pressure here, and we can see that the volume is going lower than the selling pressure. So it is unlikely to see like a V shape, okay, formation here. You would usually go to the 62 Fibonacci retracement approximately. So, you know, from the top here all the way down, we almost hit the 62% level. So we might see, you know, all the way up to the 62% golden pocket and then retrace from here. It is unlikely to see a V-shaped recovery, especially breaking out from this major trend, okay, right over here, as you can see. So this is what I got for today's episode. If we break the resistance here from this major ascending wedge, we could see a decent pump here for Ethereum, or depending on Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is at critical area, we could see a very volatile move. Let's see what happens when the stock market's open, because if the stock market is very, very bullish, we might see a massive pump for Bitcoin and Ethereum and some altcoins. We'll be discussing this in the live stream later on, guys, so make sure to subscribe and come around later with your favorite crypto. So if we break this support area from this ascending wedge, I do think we'll be coming and retesting the lower part of the wedge, which would be at the $2,380 range, okay, approximately. This is going to be it for today's quick update, guys. If you haven't checked out the Bitcoin Sensors website, we've got the latest news, technical analysis, price predictions. We've got exchange reviews. Here you can see which exchange has got the best bonus and fees. Okay, guys, so I'll be leaving a link in the description. If you haven't seen my Bybit or my PrimeXBT tutorial to learn how to trade, there's a video popping up on your screen. Massive thank you for tuning in. Make sure to come around later on the live stream. We'll be doing some live TA and potentially a live trade, guys. See you later.